was one of those kids that would see the garbage truck go down the street and run down after it, ride my bicycle after it. I was fortunate to be one of the early employees of Browning Ferris Industries, and very early got involved in the acquisitions of solid waste companies, and then in my later years got into development and sort of found my place in life. For some reason I thrived on a good public hearing, an or whatever we were trying to build, whether it be a landfill, a transfer station, a recycling facility, or a waste-to-energy plant. And somehow I survived many of those sightings and successfully developed facilities. And later on, I spent about 27 years at BFI. We then sold the company to Allied Waste, and I started a company called Synagro. So I went from the garbage can to the biosolids pile. I'm going to maybe use some words that might be off color here today, but hopefully when we finish this conversation about biosolids, everybody will understand what they are and how they operate and what the business opportunity is. First, from what I learned both in the solid waste business and the biosolids business, you've got to service a customer. And what are the customer's needs? Now, many of the gentlemen who have spoken so far have talked about energy. Right now, there's a tremendous focus on wastewater treatment plants around the country to use the energy that's in the water, the energy that's in the biosolids, to run their plant, to try to turn off the switch from the outside as far as energy consumption. So that's one of the things that we have developed at MaxWest that our customers are interested in. A big problem today is land application. As mentioned by, again, some of the speakers, many parts of the country are anti-land application. What is land application? Biosolids that are generated here in San Francisco, in this case, are hauled, maybe about 100, 150 miles away. They're land applied on farmers' land. The farmers use that as a fertilizer to grow hay, feed for their animals. Grass. Many of the golf courses in the desert, the actual original organic material that was put down to grow the grass on most of those golf courses was biosolids. It was generated here in this area and down in the LA area. It was carted out there, placed on the soil, blended in with the sandy desert soil, and then they would put down sod and grass, and that's how they would build the golf courses out there. So we see, both from my experiences at Synagro and